Hey guys, what's up? Nick Hutchins from MarineMax Clearwater here. I'm standing next to a brand new Boston Whaler 33-foot Outrage. This is a gorgeous boat finished in this blue like this, which most of them we get in the white. And this one even has the beach patio access door on the side. Twin 350 Mercuries with joystick control. Awesome swim platform in the back here for boarding. Underwater LED lights. Even though this boat is a fishing machine, it still doesn't lack on the luxuries and comfort of seating for up front. Right now we don't have all the bow cushions in, but they would cover this area. It's also nice to have removable though for when you're standing up front casting fishing. You got an enclosed full windlass power anchor system that can be controlled at the helm as well. Coming back under the console, we've got a door to access the full head. Back at the helm, we've got monster Simrad displays, Mercury vessel view, as well as joystick control with skyhook and autopilot. Power venting window. To the port side, there's the swim access door we were talking about. Got more seating on the back of the helm. And if you're fishing, you've got a big bait box at the back and a bolster. But if you aren't fishing, all you gotta do is grab this little handle under here and it converts up quickly to add another seat. If you guys have any other questions, give me a call. Nick Hutchinson, 303-875-3988.